Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys having a wonderful day. So today's video we're going to be, Antonio and I is going to be doing the Furinno Fit Space, Fits Budget 3-tier TV stand. Aquí está el baby, unboxing, vente,
Hey.
para que me ayudes a hacerlo la más. Árale pues.
Okay, here we go. Kind of open like just the top of the box. All right, let's see what we got.
It really arrived right now from Amazon.
And
So you guys didn't see my previous video. We did the little side tables right here that we have right there, and the other one we have right there. So that matches the TV stand, and it's gonna be the color French oak.
We got a bunch of foam. They were supposed to arrive tomorrow, but we got it, I guess, one day early. So on this, yeah.
And then we got this TV stand for $27 plus tax, free shipping from Amazon. So it's gonna be the same color as the side tables. Oh, yeah.
One piece.
Ooh. Oh, this one is not like the other one. It has both sides, remember?
Yeah, okay.
This one is only one side.
Inside.
But it's nice. Those more, you know.
All right. So it already has these things built into it, and I'm pretty sure that's where the big old black plastic tube screws go.
Right there. Because the other ones you have the option to turn it upside down.
Yeah.
And you choose whatever side you want it. But this one's, I guess, they don't give you the option. But hey, it's still okay. You know, it doesn't look bad.
Yep.
So we don't mind these little lines and everything. We're going to put stuff on top of it anyway. So
There's that one.
las patitas, the little legs.
Little legs.
And these are plastic. Has the side tables. But they're sturdy enough. So there shouldn't be a problem with that.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to be placing the PS5 and small items. So that's why we chose for a smaller TV stand. Because we didn't want a bulky one.
Yeah, that is correct.
Just right here, information about it. Okay, no tools necessary. It's just like screwing them like that, just like the side table.
Pretty simple?
Yeah, let's
see. So the big one goes on the bottom, and then the two small ones, they do see.
Let me go on the side, baby. Okay. Let me go on the side para que lo puedan mirar de otro ángulo. There you go. ¿Dónde lo quieres armar, chiquito? Right there, or?
Yeah, a little bit closer to the TV and the PS.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. First thing is first. So you got 3 pieces. It looks like the one in the middle is going to be smaller.
Nothing looks broken now?
No.
That's good.
Yeah. So it's good.
Are they the same size, baby? O unas son más chiquitas, ¿verdad?
The one in the bottom. And
The longest one?
Yeah, the one on the bottom and then the one on top seem to be almost about the same, no? Yeah.
Oh.
So
choose the best one that you want for the top, no?
Well, a ver, let's see what it says. Okay, so this
Okay, so you're gonna put the little tops on the top one, ¿verdad? Like que
Yeah,
tenga más holes, so maybe that's the top one.
Yeah, so this one is gonna go on the bottom.
Okay.
And then you got this one. And then at the
According
end,
to the diagram, hey?
you got this one. Alright. So the one with nothing on it, nothing on the back.
No, espérate.
Well, okay.
Espérate, mi amor, chiquito. Porque mira, right there shows that one should be on the top, no?
I think
So it matches the side tables. Because remember the tops, the lids, mira, como aquí, mira. The black parts on the top, the little caps.
That's
¿No
not
será
good,
así?
though. Because mira, aquí lo miro that the hole goes on the bottom.
Ah.
Mira, there's the hole.
Oh,
And then
okay.
the one in the middle.
Maybe you're right.
That, and then this one.
Y mira el diagram de aquí, ¿cómo se mira?
I think only if you do it upside down. Yeah, that's showing upside down.
A lo mejor se equivocaron en la picture, ¿no?
Yeah. Alright, so let's get these little legs. Let's start with the little legs.
Does it have even the caps? If it doesn't have the caps, then yeah, it's how you're showing it on the next diagram.
It has caps. So far only one.
Ah, maybe it goes in the middle of the hole, like you said. But how it shows in the bottom right there,
Mm-hmm.
you know?
Yeah,
Maybe it is on the bottom one.
All right, we could. These are the unfinished side. Okay, so yeah, unfinished side. That's the stuff on the bottom. Okay,
Unfinished
here we
surface?
go. Yeah, here.
Okay.
Let's turn all this around. Okay, so this one needs the ones in the middle. All right, so when you get this table, go ahead and get the one that has these little things on it. Okay? And what you want to do is get these and tie them up like that, okay? These you could go ahead and do nice and tug.
That's gonna be the top
Make it
one,
nice and
chiquito?
snug. Huh?
That's gonna be the top one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the one on top.
So lo vas a armar al revés?
Yeah, I
First
think
side
that's what
one.
they want you to do.
Oh, okay.
And this would be A. Look, it tells you A, and that's what we're working on. Mira, A. You can go ahead and look at it. That's A.
Okay, that's what comes inside. So we're doing this video, guys, so you guys can see the unboxing. So in case you guys want to purchase a small stand for your living room, for your room, for your game room, for your daughters, your kids' rooms.
Yeah. So now we got B, and it tells you B. And then the B, I think,
So usually they're telling you in the beginning, it should take around 10 minutes to set up. Recommending one person that was going to be able to do this, no tools required.
and then these are the big ones. And then
Trying to go to the back end. Okay, that's what it shows the back.
nice and snug again.
Yeah, maximum recommended weight 50 pounds.
50?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
she supports 50 pounds. The other ones are 10 pounds each column row, so in total is 30.
Yep.
So this one, the TV stand, is going to be 50 pounds. But again, we're not going to be putting the TV because we already have it hanged up. It's right there. We're just going to have it for just like gaming accessories and just to put the PS5 flat on surface.
Yep. Let us know in the comments below. How was your Christmas? Did you got everything that you wanted? Did Santa brought everything? Were you nice? And how will you rate this Christmas from last year's Christmas? All right. Last but not least, this would be C. So you got A, B, C. Right here, just like that.
Do you recommend it like that, mi amor? Hacerla build in for like al revés?
Yeah. Let's start from the one on top, middle, and then so on. So yeah, that's the best way, because then you're looking at everything that you need, and the way that it goes A, B, and C. Okay.
Ya nomás te falta poquito de chiquito.
Yeah. Oh, and get a view of this. Mira. It's like that. It's not really leveled, and this one too. But you get your left hand or whatever hand, and just kind of guide it. You want to make sure that all the spring goes inside like this. All right. So everything goes flush.
Okay.
And last but not least, you get this. Okay, that flat surface one, put it like this.
Cap, yeah.
Yeah.
For the bottom, just like in the drawing, with the right here,
Just like that.
the bottom one.
Yep.
Okay.
Now let's go ahead and turn it around.
Yay, it matches. Mira qué bonita. Wow. I love it.
Yeah, that's nice.
I love it that it matches with the side tables. ¿Verdad?
Yeah.
Mírala. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. And look, so you guys can see a better picture from afar. From where the TV, our TV is a 55-inch. So that's how it fits on the bottom. A ver, voy a abrir la puerta so you can see the better lighting. Okay, you can't really tell the difference, but I opened the door. ¿Se cabe bien la chiquita?
Yeah. And obviously.
Are you going to put it flat or are you just going to leave it like that for now?
Yeah, we're going to put it flat at the end.
The PS5?
Yeah.
So yeah, it looks good, mi amor. Isn't that sturdy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good. We totally recommend this little stand from this store from Amazon. Furinno. $27 again.
Mm-hmm.
Free shipping. Plus tax at the end. I think we paid like $32. So yeah, that's so nice, you know. And match con las TV little side tables right here. With the sofa bed. If you guys haven't seen that video, I have it in my previous videos. Just go check on my channel. We have this one when we assembled the sofa bed and the side tables. So yeah, that's a matching little TV stand, which is not bulky, just a perfect fit for this small room.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. And is there anything you have to say, baby?
Yeah, thank you. And like I said, let us know in your comments if you like it. And then how was your Christmas and everything? And you got everything you wanted for Christmas?
Thank you for watching this, guys.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Say bye, mommy. She was watching SpongeBob. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.